welcome back to the channel. I'm actually here in Hawaii. Did a bunch of things. There will be quite a few videos coming out, but I work on editing them. Which you guys know, my vision's bad, so I can't really edit them. It'll take me a while. I'll get it. But anyways, I want to tell you that this video is on hike, as you probably read the title of the video. But at first I didn't want to go. You go up to the top of that volcano, it was cold and windy. I started out with long johns and my puffy coat on. I'd recommend the same. It is really cold up there, you guys. It's over 10,000 feet up that mountain. First I didn't want to go, but you start going down the volcano and you quickly warm up. Next thing you know, you're taking layers off. But I definitely recommend this trail. This trail is awesome. A lot to see, a lot of different rocks. Some parts seem like you're on Mars. Switchbacks, it is awesome. So you can tell at the front of the video when the way I'm talking now, I'm kind of down. But get past that, because at first I didn't want to go. It was so cold and windy. But definitely do this trail, you guys. It is awesome. So enough of me jabbering. Let's get to the video. Remember, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, share this. I wouldn't know about this because all the research I did, I never knew about this trail up there. Just have to find out. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, we're back up here in this mountain thingy, volcano. We're gonna go hike this trail that goes way down there, down into the crater, way over there, way over there, way over there, and down. How far are we going? 11 miles. 3,000 down, 6 miles across the crater. It'll probably blow up. Be volcanic rock everywhere. We have to dodge them. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm getting that. There's where we're going. Up and around. I don't know if you can hear me with all this wind. You ever do this trail, make sure to dress warm. Hat, gloves, long johns, coat. Okay, we're starting our beer now. I said before, I'm legally blind and I do these videos so I can you can probably tell the elevation that we're dropping. When we get down, we go across, then we gotta climb it back up. Checking out these big rocks. We're still going down. horse hiking. Maybe this will mark. You ever make it to the Valdez Rocks in California? Highly recommend this trail, you guys. This is pretty good. The wind does calm down a little bit when you get down here. And it gets pretty warm, you might have to delayer. So, wind gusts like this ain't bad. They were up there up top. But yeah, definitely bring about 3 liters of water. So now that we're down here, 3,000 feet, a lot more vegetation starting to pop up. A horse hitch and post. Pony Express used to go through here years ago. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Awesome hike. I'm going across the floor. A lot of these rocks. It's kind of weird. Anyways, onward. Double tap. This is pretty steep, doesn't seem like it, but climbed up quite a bit. Started over that direction somewhere. She said you can see car windshields over there, which is quite a few miles away. Not sure if we go up and back down or what, but yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so right up there somewhere, you see the trail coming down. Where it came down. Here we are now. I'm sure this video doesn't do us justice. Yeah. So I gotta keep these short, my battery's almost dead. Really cool rock formation. Okay, we just came down that. As we're kind of coming around the backside, we're getting more plants and stuff. It's kind of way different on this side. And there's a cabin up there we're going to check out here in a minute. Always got to check out the cabin. Can't see it yet, but she told me it's up here. We came across this thing. I think it was an old lava tube or something. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it when it goes down. Yeah.
They were at the cabin last night.
So here's the cabin. Some geese.
I should have asked them for the code.
Yeah. Yeah, by the way, what's the code?
So after that, you said...
I guess you can rent this cabin. You can't go in or something. So there's the cabin. Pretty awesome. We couldn't look inside, but
This is locked. You can rent this cabin though. But we got another 3.9 miles of the 11.2.
Yeah.
So almost there. It's definitely way different on this side. We just came down this. Yeah, this ahead. Now I think our switchbacks are coming up to start climbing back out. I think that's a lava tube, and you can see like waves where the lava flowed down here. Pretty cool. Nice trail. I like it. And onward we go. Okay, so I just happened to think about it. Thought I'd mention it. When I say you can see the lava waves and stuff like that, and that little lava tube, I couldn't see it. My sister pointed it out to me, so I pointed it out to you guys. And a lot of things I point out, I ask her first before I start the video, or she tells me about them. So I tell you guys. I can't necessarily see all that. So I'm just being informative, trying to let you guys know, even though I can't see it. But yeah, obviously I'm not completely blind, but legally blind. I explain it in some of my other videos, so. Anyways, you want to get out there and do something, get out and do it. Don't let your disability hold you back. Okay, and now we switch back up this thing somehow. Coming from back there is that cabin 1 mile back. Look at that. There's a sign that says something that I can't read. So yeah. 2.9 back to the parking lot. Check that out. Awesome. That's like incredible, you guys.
Don't fall off.
Yeah. You want to do some base jumping? Oh. You can probably see all the switchbacks there. Start out way down there, wherever that is. Anyways, let's continue on. Up some more. Oh my god, you guys, these switchbacks are crazy. They started way down there. I don't know if you can see. Switchback after switchback after switchback. We're almost up. Way down over there. Now we gotta go. Okay, came around that mountain there where I showed you guys, and then we got this. If you're afraid of heights, you guys, definitely don't do this trail. Way down there is where we started. Switchbacking the whole way. Huh? Watch out.
Let's go.
Okay, where I stopped recording last time, that was about halfway up this. Nothing but switchbacks. If you're afraid of heights or cuts, don't take the trail, because you fall over, you're 1,000 feet to the bottom.
Don't say that.
Oh.
I don't want to hear it.
10 feet to the bottom. And then we got to do this. I think park lot's over there somewhere. But yeah, we're about less than a mile back to the car. Here we go. Okay, so the last mile of the trail was like this. Jessica says she can see cars, so almost there. Nice easy switchbacks. Nice mile. It's not like you're gonna fall off to your death like you were back there. So yeah, I really recommend this trail. Really liked it. Are you afraid of heights or cliffs? Don't do it. I thought it was amazing. Awesome. Best thing on Maui. Hey you guys. I think I'll finish up the video here. We're almost back to the car, so Remember, don't let your disability hold you back. If you want to do something, get out and do it. Never know what I might be doing. If you like this stuff, hit that like button. Remember, subscribe. Leave me a comment if you ever hiked anything like this. Thanks for watching.